Hi 10th class. Today video we have to discuss the fourth problem in exercise 10.1. So in the last class we discussed the example problems 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 problems. Now we have to discuss the fourth problem in the exercise 10.1. Let us see the problems, children. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to CSA of the cone. If the radius of the radius be the same, find the ratio of height of cylinder and slant height of cone. This is the problem. Okay children, just we have to go through the problem. LSA of cylinder. This is cylinder. And CSA of cone are equal. According to problem, that is fourth problem in the exercise 10.1, LSA of cylinder equal to CSA of the cone. Lateral surface area is nothing but CSA of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder equal to CSA of the cone. And what is given in the problem? If the radius be same, base radius of both cylinder and cone are equal. This radius, this is also radius of the cone. So according to problem, LSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. Here CSA of cone formula pi r l. Both radius be equal given in the problem. According to problem, LSA of cylinder equal to CSA of the cone. So 2 pi r h equal to pi r l. What we need to find here? Find the ratio of height of cylinder and slant height of the cone. What are cancelled here? See what the children. Pi 1s are cancelled. Next 2 R1s are also cancelled. 2H is equal to L. What we need to find here? Find the ratio of height of cylinder and slant height of the cone. L transpose to here, LHS, 2 transpose to RHS. So H by L is equal to, here numerical coefficient is 1, that is 1 by 2. H by L is nothing but H is to L is equal to 1 is to 2. So the ratio between height of cylinder and slant height of cone is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the ratio between height of the cylinder and slant height of the cone. This is height of the cone cylinder. This should be slant height of the cone L. Okay children. Now we are going to discuss the next problem, that is fifth one. A self-help group wants to manufacture joker's cap, conical caps of 3 cm radius and height 4 cm. If the available color paper sheet is 1000 cm square, then how many caps can be manufactured from the paper sheet? Simple problem only. Total area of square sheet is, paper sheet is 1000 cm square. Here radius of cone given, height of cone given, conical caps, joker cap. Okay children, we are going to discuss fifth problem here. So radius be given, radius is equal to 3 centimeters, height be 4 centimeters. This should be height of the cone, h is equal to 4 centimeters. So what we need to find? First of all, we have to write the radius of cone. R is equal to 3 centimeter. Height of the cone. Height of the cone. H is equal 4 centimeter. Then we need to find slant height. Why? Because we need to find CSA of the cone. CSA కనుక్కుంటేనే ఎన్ని కోన్స్ వస్తాయని మనకు తెలుస్తుంది కాబట్టి. So from radius and height onwards we had the formula. We have L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L is equal square root of H square plus R square. Apply the values. H value is 4 square plus 3 square. Square root of 16 plus 9, it should be root 25, which should be 5. Why? Because it can be written as 5 square, so 5 centimeters coming for us. Slant height, this is slant height. Right, slant height came. Now you need to find CSA of cone. Why should we find CSA of the cone here? We need to find how much paper required for making a one joker cap. So how much paper sheet required? So for that we need to find CSA. Formula is pi r L. Apply the values. Pi value is 22/7, r value is 3 centimeter and L value is 5. Apply that one. 22 3s 66. 66 3s, 5 6 are 30, 3 remainder, 5 6 are 30, 330/7 square centimeters. This is CSA of the cone. Now available sheet of paper is how much? 1000 centimeters square, children. So number of cones made available sheet of paper is equal 1000 centimeters square. Therefore, number of caps made is equal area of paper available by area of CSA of one cone. Paper available by CSA of one cone. That is 1000 by area of CSA of one cone is 330/7. 330/7. That's all. Do cancellations. 1000 into 7/330. 10 are cancelled. 33 how many times cancel this one? 33 ones, 33 threes, 99, one remainder, leave it out. So 3 into 7, approximately 21 caps. This much caps are made using the sheet. Okay, children, these are the two problems we have to discuss it in this class. Okay, and go through the next problem. Sixth one. A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii or of equal heights. Show that their volumes are in the ratio 3:1. Very, very simple one. Previous problem model only. Fourth problem model. Take the screenshot of this one. Afterwards, write in the classwork, children. Take a screenshot. Right. Now we are going to discuss the sixth problem in the exercise. A cylinder and cone have same base radius and same height. Same base radius and the same height. Find the ratio of their volumes in the ratio 3:1. This is the problem. Hold a bit. Okay, children. Let us see. A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii or of equal heights. So Radius is same. Here radius also r. Heights are also equal. This is height of cylinder. This is also height of the cone. What we need to find here? Show that their volumes are in the ratio 3:1. Okay. According to problem, cylinder and cone have same base radius. That should be taken as r centimeters or r units and same height. It should be taken as h units. We have to write in brackets same height h units. Now find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula V is equal pi r square h cubic units. Similarly, volume of cone formula V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Ratio of volume of cylinder and cone is equal pi r square h is to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h once, pi r square h once. 1 is to 1 by 3. Multiply the ratio with 3 on the both sides. 3 into 1 is to 3 into 1 by 3. 3 ones cancel. 3 1 is 3, 3 is to 1. This is the ratio between volume of cylinder and volume of cone, children. So, these three problems you have to thoroughly practice at home and practice the remaining two problems in the exercise 8 and 9, children. Okay. If you have any doubt, contact to my number 98855 62857, children. Bye.